What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns about what I'm discussing today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, please follow me on Instagram. It's @AppGrind. I'm trying to get to 500 followers. I'm right now, I think I'm at 280. So once I get to 500 followers, I might do a giveaway. So go ahead and follow me there right now. It's @AppGrind. And guys, don't forget to type that code word that will pop up in this video, somewhere in this video. So you will need to watch the video all the way to the very end to get that code word and type it down in the comments below. So you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 5,000 subscribers, which is coming soon. It's coming soon, hopefully this month of November. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on YouTube right now, and I went ahead and searched Go to Sleep with Thunder and Rain. So, what you're going to be doing, you're going to make videos. Well, you're not really going to make videos, but you're going to make some money off of these type of videos right here. So this person right here, or this company, or whoever they are, it looked like it's a person. His name is Stardust Vibes, Relaxing Sounds. He makes a lot of money making these type of videos. As you can see here, 59 million views, 1.4 million likes. That is crazy. So it says here, Go to Sleep with Thunder and Rain Sounds, Relaxing Sounds for insomnia, symptoms, and sleeping disorder. So this guy is making videos that's going to help your health, help you to feel better, help you to get over these health issues. So, and it has been proven that these type of sounds do help your health. So let's go ahead and just listen to it right quick. So that's all it is, just thunder and rain. And what's unique about this guy, I actually read up on him. He actually recorded this with his phone or camera. He was out camping or somewhere, and it started raining, so he recorded it. So he got the sound. This is the actual sound, nothing that he found online or anything. Now, you can do the same thing too. You don't have to go out in the woods or camping or anything. You can just open your window when it starts raining outside, record the rain, record the sound, and put it on YouTube. And guys, you're going to get a lot of views. So let me show you how much this guy is making. So let's go to Social Blade right quick. So I'm at Social Blade. And as you can see, he has 1.26 million subscribers, 132 uploads. And he has this channel, been having this channel since 2016. And this is going to blow your mind, guys. He makes on a monthly basis $5,900 to $94,000. You can't tell me this guy is really making some big money, really doing nothing. And look, this is how much he make a year, 70,000 to 1.1 million a year. He's a millionaire just making these type of videos. And let's just scroll down here and see what he's making on a daily basis. 2,700, 2,900, 3,000. So this guy making a day as much as some people make a month. Some people don't even make that much, don't even make 3,000 a month. So, guys, you can do it too. So what I'm going to do right now is show you where you can go get these sounds if you don't want to record them yourself. So let me go ahead and go to that website right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Pixabay. So on here, you can get free images and royalty-free stock. And you can get free videos too. And that's what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is just type in rain. See what comes up here. Okay. As you can see, here's some images come up. Let's find the videos right quick. Okay, here's a video right quick. So let's just click on it. All right, here's one that's raining. And that's the thunder. So this is absolutely free, guys. Absolutely free for you to download. So you just go right here and download this onto your computer. And you can put this together and make a video. So you didn't have to record anything. It's already made for you to use. And you can just go online and look for a free video editor. And they got plenty of them online. And once you get that free video editor, you can take this video right here, put it on your from your computer onto the video editor, and copy and paste it, keep copying and pasting it, and make it at least an hour or two, because that's how you make the most money. So let me go back to him and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. So I'm back over here to Stardust video. And as you can see here, he has 10 hours on here. No telling how many ads he on here. He have probably maybe 30 to 40 ads on here, maybe more than that. And you know, the more ads you put in a video, the more money you can make. So if you want to do an hour, if you want to do 2 hours, if you want to do all the way up to 10 hours, that means more ads you can put in the middle. Now, if you want to just make it real short, all you got to do is just make it at least 8 minutes long. Maybe throw 1 or 2 ads in there. And you really probably don't want to put that many ads in an 8-minute video. That's why you want to make it as long as you can, so you can put as many videos, as many ads as you can, because you don't want to have these too many ads in there. It's going to really annoy the person that's trying to relax and listen to the rain and the thunder, because they're going to get tired of a video come up, I'm at the skip. I mean, our ad is coming up, I'm at the skip. So This is how you do it, guys. So, if you want to go ahead and start making money, making videos of rain and thunder, go ahead and go to Pixabay, find a rain and thunder video, download a free video editor, put it together, put it on YouTube. First, you have to go ahead and get that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And then, once you get approved for ads, start making this money with these type of videos. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And don't forget to type the code word that popped up in this video. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching all my videos. Road to 5,000, guys. Road to 5,000. Let's get there. Keep sharing this everywhere. And let's get there so I can give away this free money. All right, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on.